Hello, welcome to Us Food and Barbecue. Today we're going to make chicken quarters on the grill, and with that we're going to have some cabbage, I think fried cabbage. Let me take you along and show you how we're going to make that. So it's time to make some chicken quarters using the poortex. So I've got a chimney lighting up with charcoal. Let's see how it works. Okay, so as you saw in the clip earlier, I have marinated these chicken quarters. Now I'm gonna put them on a tray. I marinated them with something called Caj P, which is a regular barbecue marinade here. It's been around all my life. It's probably the first marinade that we ever got here. And then I'm gonna season these just because I want to with some It's Incredible by Heaven Made products. And we're gonna bring these out and put them on the kettle using the poortex and cook these for a bit. It's gonna take a while, but that's gonna be good. Okay, so just apply a little bit of seasoning, just like so. Take a little bit on the other side as well. I'm almost running out, but I ordered some more. There we go. There we go. So this is all lit up. Got a little piece of hickory here. Gonna merge that down in the middle, just to get a little bit of smoke. And then I'm gonna put the chicken around the edges here, which I need both hands for. I'm gonna show you when I'm done. And there we go. So I guess this could be good. I'm gonna run this as high as I can. It's about -10 Celsius here, so I don't know what that is. 20s, something like that. 30s, I'll check it. Anyway, meet you back in a while. Okay, so it's been about an hour, 45 minutes at least. I'm gonna temp this. See, 177. Take one over here. No, 174. I'll take this one as well just to see. 180. Yeah, that should be good enough. It's time to bring it in. And with the chicken we're gonna have some cabbage. We're gonna start off with a little bit of, oh, there's a piece of carrot in there. A little bit of onion, and then I'm gonna add some carrots and the cabbage and fry. Okay, the onions are sauteed, so I'm gonna put the carrots in there and let them fry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the cabbage. Okay, there we go. Let's add the rest. Okay, so we're just gonna season this with 2 tablespoons of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/5 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. And I stirred it up and put a lid on and let it boil. Oh, I forgot the most important thing of it all: mustard. You need a healthy dose of mustard. I would say that's 3 tablespoons. Okay, so this has been simmering for about, or steaming for about half an hour. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of unsmoked gouda and 1 cup of smoked gouda. Start it in. Time to eat. There we go. Hickory smoked chicken quarters and cheese ladled cabbage. That turned out really nice. Thank you for watching. Bye.